RMCAD is thrilled to have Deanna with us to share, discuss, and inspire broader communal healing and transformation. Please welcome Deanna Van Buren.
My name is Deanna Van Buren, and I'm an architect and an artist. Well, my work is kind of broad-ranging, but in my company at Designing Justice, Designing Spaces, we are both architects and real estate developers building the infrastructure to end mass incarceration, right? So a whole ecosystem of spaces and places that are not, for instance, in jails.
I am going to use restorative justice. I believe restorative justice can begin to address our system of mass incarceration, right? We can't be adjudicating people and throwing them in courts and then into prisons. What we could use is restorative justice, and this became an issue that I've dedicated my life to.
It's been nice to engage with the students a bit more. Normally I'm coming, if I go to university or college, I'm speaking, but there's not a lot of additional programming where I get to actually interface and talk to the students and have more time to answer questions. Like there was more Q&A. The workshop was nice just to see and talk to them.
My name is Nathan Simon. I moved here from Chicago to go to school here, and I am in the interior design program. So I think it was really cool being able to hear about someone doing work that you didn't even know was a thing, you know, and it kind of makes you sit back and ask yourself, what are passions of mine and how can I use my design and my creativity to fix a problem or present a solution to something that I care about.
I think an exploration of your field is important. It doesn't matter what you're doing. If you're getting experience and learning new things, you're good. I find a lot of young people want to go like, I want to start my own company right now. I'm like, whoa, hey, tiger. Get some experience, learn stuff, learn as much as you can.